Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the Mass Unsubscribe module and the left menu of the software. Go to the Account Actions section. Then the Mass Unsubscribe module. This module describes your channels and chats or chats on your accounts. That is, and the settings, we choose to leave channels. Leave groups, that is, we check the box for the category from which you want to unsubscribe. If we check the box here and there, then accordingly, our accounts will unsubscribe from both channels and chats. The delay between exits is the pause after each exit. Let's specify 2 to 4, for example, between each exit. Then we select our accounts that will unsubscribe from channels and chats. Then the option to enable statistics, if it is disabled. Then your database is not created with the module's work result. And if this option is enabled, then a database will be created for you, which will contain information about all your channels, chats, and objects from which accounts unsubscribe. Let's enable it. I will demonstrate it to you. Next is thread management. The number of threads is the number of simultaneously working accounts. If you have a lot of accounts that you need to mass unsubscribe from channels and chats, you can launch not all accounts at once, but, for example, specify the desired number of threads and also set a delay between thread starts. We don't need this option at the moment. Since the job can be done by all 6 accounts, let's choose 6 and press start. The module will unsubscribe, I repeat, from all channels and chats that exist on the accounts. Here you can see in the log it says left this group, left that group, and we can open the database. Here it is. In the database, we will have information. It is updated as the unsubscribed progress. We can use the database update button. As our task is being executed, here will be our chats and channels from which the software unsubscribes. If channels and chats have a public link, it will be indicated here, as well as the name, number of subscribers, type, status, and other details. Everything related to the group. The software additionally retrieves all the information about your channels and chats from which it unsubscribes. Here you can see channels and chats are added as the software works. If you don't need this unsubscribe statistics, you can disable the Enable Statistics option, and accordingly, you will only have information going to the log, depending on your settings, where your log is saved. The module is quite simple. There is nothing complicated. Just a few buttons, all standard features. You choose what to let subscribe from, either only channels, only chats, or both channels and chats. You select accounts. Here you already choose if you meet unsubscribe statistics. And you enable thread management if you need to. That's it. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.